From this video, you will get tips to prepare for AD0-E560 Adobe Marketo Engage Architect Master Exam and share practice test to test knowledge. Ensure you have the required prerequisite certification and that it is currently active before attempting the Adobe Marketo Engage Architect Master Exam. AD0-E560 Exam Information. Minimum experience recommended. Exam objectives and scope. Topic 1. Project leadership. Topic 2. Marketo Engage Architecture Design. Topic 3. Reporting and attribution. Topic 4. Advanced operations. (1) What is the impact of negative scoring in lead scoring models? A. Improves lead qualification accuracy. B. Automatically removes unqualified leads. C. Prioritizes leads with higher scores. D. Speeds up sales follow-up processes. Answer: A. 2. When establishing project scope, which element should be defined first? A. Campaign budget. B. Success metrics. C. Team responsibilities. D. Technology stack. Answer: B. 3. Your Marketo project involves integrating a CRM. Which stakeholders should be included in the integration process? A. CRM administrator and IT team lead. B. Sales manager and data analyst. C. Marketing specialist and content creator. D. Campaign manager and customer support agent. Answer: A. 4. What is the primary purpose of a lifecycle model in Marketo? A. To automate email campaigns. B. To manage lead progression through predefined stages. C. To enhance deliverability of marketing emails. D. To create customer satisfaction surveys. Answer: B. 5. During an audit, it's found that workflows are causing system delays. What should be your first step? A. Increase database capacity. B. Train the team on workflow creation. C. Optimize existing workflows. D. Remove low-priority workflows. Answer: C. 6. Which of the following is most critical to prioritize during a system audit? A. Removing inactive campaigns. B. Fixing data governance issues. C. Renaming program folders. D. Updating campaign templates. Answer: B. 7. Who is typically responsible for approving the overall scope of a Marketo Engage project? A. Project sponsor. B. Marketing manager. C. Administrator. D. Campaign specialist. Answer: A. 8. How can you scale a Marketo Engage instance for global campaigns? A. Consolidate all campaigns into a single workspace. B. Use smart lists for all segmentations. C. Avoid using dynamic content. D. Create separate workspaces for each region. Answer: D. 9. What should be the first step when defining project boundaries? A. Analyze the lead scoring model. B. Review the campaign execution process. C. Conduct stakeholder interviews. D. Document the reporting structure. Answer: C. 10. A new sales team struggles with understanding lead scoring in Marketo. What enablement approach should you recommend? A. Conduct a focused workshop on lead scoring basics. B. Provide pre-recorded tutorials on campaign creation. C. Schedule a Q&A session about reporting features. D. Assign mentors to guide them through email workflows. Answer: A. Subscribe and like. Pass question.